we present you a new video. I hope it will be useful. If you don't want to miss other interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. BMW F15 Rear air spring replacement. If it happens that sometimes you find the car lowered from the suspension on one of the sides or even on both sides, this is the problem. To check if the air springs are leaking, spray a soapy solution around them. After a few seconds, the areas where there is air loss will make many bubbles. The areas circled in yellow are proof that both air springs are losing air. To replace the air springs, it is necessary to empty them of air. We will do this using the ISTA Diagnosis system. Check and clear all faults. Select Vehicle Management. Service Function. Chassis and Suspension. Electronic Ride Height Control, EHC, Filling and Draining. Bleed of the air bellows. It is necessary to remove the compressor fuse in order to avoid control processes of the air suspension. When bleeding the air bellows, proceed according to the wiring diagram. According to the wiring diagram, compressor fuses is 110 and 132. The fuse block is on the right rear. We will remove fuse number 110 of 40A. It is necessary to repeat emptying the air system at least 3 times. Use a lever to release the bottom of the air spring. To release the upper part of the air spring, turn it counterclockwise about 15 degrees. Remove the air duct. We will be using Arnott air springs with part code A2642 made by Continental. Mount the air duct. It is not always necessary to replace the threaded head. Place the rubber protection well. Install the new air spring. Install the compressor fuse. Use the indications from the diagnostic system to fill the springs with air. Lower the car to the ground. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be back with more interesting videos soon. Do not miss other videos that may interest you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.